guys, it's Jason here, and we're back with another unboxing video. It's a little dark in here. I had to close my windows because the lighting was awful. Today, we only have one item of things we're unboxing. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. If you guys have seen one of my older videos, you'll know this layout of a package. So this is from Thailand. There's a guy named River Kauai. There's a number that goes along with his name, but I can't remember what it is. I bought another pair of military surplus from this guy out in Thailand. He's been posting a lot of really neat things, a lot of rare military camo schemes, so I figured I might as well pick up another one, you know what I mean? I have another thing coming in from Americana Pipe Dream, and it's gonna complement this. So without further ado, let's open it. If you ever want your fix of military surplus, especially some of the rare Asian stuff, he definitely does sell a lot of the more rare end of Asian camos, the more unique stuff, especially stuff from Thailand. You definitely don't see a lot of that in America, or if you do, it's usually some of the more older Cold War, Vietnam War era DL camo instead of the more modern brands of camo. So it's in the bag. It's in a Ziploc bag. Today we have a pair of field pants. This is a pair of Spanish M09 Desert Digital Camo pants. Look at that. Oops, I have it upside down. Look at that. It's pretty neat, huh? So the Spanish M09 camo, I'm presuming it came out in 2009 because the 09 would mean it came out in 2009. It's meant to look and emulate the feel of multicam. I guess they didn't want to go with like multicam, what everyone else was doing, so they decided to put their own spin on it, and this is what came out. From a distance, it looks like multicam, right? If I back up a little bit, it looks like regular desert type of multicam, but if you go up close, it's actually a pixelated pattern, so that's really neat. And I also got something from Americana Pipe Dream to match this outfit. So you'll be seeing that soon, and I don't want to spoil that. I know I haven't given rating in a hot minute because I keep forgetting. I give this a 10 out of 10. It's in good shape. I'm hoping it fits me. It should, because I ordered it in a size 32 or something larger. I don't remember what it was. Here we have it. Spanish M09 Digital Arid Camo Pants. That's the only thing we have today. And that concludes the video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think about the Spanish M09 Digital Camo scheme. Do you think it looks very similar to multicam, or do you think it's different enough to be able to count as an indigenous camo scheme, as people would say? Anyways, I hope you guys liked the video. It's only a one item unboxing thing. I think later on in the future I might end up getting more things. Well, more things will be coming in the mail. Don't forget to stick around for any videos from the past I'll upload, and then any other future videos that I will upload. A lot of big things coming. I'll see you guys later. You guys have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are in the world. Stay positive.